Cook leek dish this way. It's easy to make, vegan, and so delicious everyone will love it. This is Ayşenur Altan. Let's begin. Preferably in a wide big pan, heat up about 4 or 5 tablespoons olive oil. And cut 1 medium-sized onion into quarters and slice it. While I begin to saute my onions, I'm gonna peel and cut my carrots. Add carrots and continue to saute for about 5-6 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna slice my leek. If you slice it like this, it will look more pretty. And a small but powerful hint: before we are going to cook our leeks, we're gonna soak in cold water. Soaking the leeks in water will help to get the bitterness out, leaving this sweet, delicious taste in our dish. You can soak them for about half an hour, but even 5-10 minutes will be enough. So I'm draining well and adding to my sauteed onion and carrot mixture. Before adding any water and other ingredients, let the veggies cook with its own steam in a low heat for about 10 minutes. And don't stir too much so the leeks can keep its shape. You can use ladle for it. You can drizzle more water if it needs. And continue to cook in its own steam. So they are soft now, and I can add my seasonings along with about 2-3 tablespoons rice, 1 teaspoon each salt and sugar. Sugar will give extra taste, and it is one of the hints that will make our dish irresistible. I drizzle some more olive oil and about half cup water. It is optional, but to give some more flavor, you can squeeze out half orange juice and drizzle over the dish. Continue to cook simmering on low heat until rice and leek soft and fully cooked. Turn off the heat, let it rest at least half an hour. Drizzle lemon juice to give sourness, and enjoy this delicious Turkish leek dish in olive oil, either warm or cold, as a side dish or a light main dish along with some soup and piece of bread. I have many other classic vegan, vegetarian recipes on my channel. Check the links for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.